any of the old salty sea dogs around when you came about? Like, were there any old crotchety guys that might have been retired that hung out at a local bar and told you all the cool stories about the old OPD? You know, like the old days? Because this is what I heard through the rumor mill. Now, I don't know if it's true or not. A lot of guys that didn't make it at different departments needed a job. They only had one skill set. They go work for Oakland. This is way back. We're going like way back. Back when Oakland PD had an academy for Roseville, told me, the guys told me, this isn't like 67, that the Oakland, they would ship everybody to those guys there for like 4 weeks or 6 weeks of just of nonsense. And then they'd come back here and they basically give them the keys and let them ride around.